Fort Mott's mysterious unknown sound. Fort Mott, located in Pennsville, Salem County, New Jersey, was part of a three-fort defense system designed for the Delaware River during the postbellum and Endicott program modernization periods following the American Civil War and in the 1890s. On October 6, 2018, Axis Video was shooting video at the location of Fort Mott for a future release, documenting its history. A curious anomaly was recorded while shooting in the Battery Edwards Gun Emplacement No. 1 Casemate Entrance. This footage was unofficial and recorded on cell phone video, not part of the main project. It sounds as if a voice says, "Bree." Give it a listen. A female participant was inside testing the acoustics of the room. The scrapping sound is her dragging her feet against the ground. The male participant was outside of the room acquiring footage. Efforts were made to duplicate the sound, but were not successful. The male went back outside the room, hypothesizing that his voice was picked up by the cell phone video within the emplacement. In the recreational hypothesis video, you can hear that the male's voice was outside and muffled. His voice was not clear and pronounced as in the unknown audio.
I said it 3 times, so we'll see what happens. I said it 3 times, so we'll see what happens.
Plans have been made to return to Fort Mott in the near future and investigate the No. 1 Casemate to see if any other anomalies appear.